Hey, it's Nina with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to play this song, In Christ Alone. It's such a beautiful classic, and today we're going to be doing it in the key of F, which I think is the most common key, and this is what the key of F looks like. Notice it has one black key, all the rest are white. Yay! For my beginners. Alright, so this song has a ton of transitions, a ton of chords. So for example, if you were to play it like this, in Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song, this cornerstone. You can definitely play this song like this, but like I said, there's a lot of chords and it can be very overwhelming. So what I would like to suggest is a little tweak in playing this song and making it a little bit easier to switch between chords. So since this song is in the key of F, this is my first, third, and fifth of F. And what I mean is that if you do 1, 2, 3, this is my third, 4, 5, this is my fifth, 6, 7, and then back to F. So I'm going to take my 5, and then I'm going to take my 1, which is another F key, right? F. Instead of playing my F down here, I'm going to play it up here. And I'm going to try a version of playing this song and keeping my right hand on these notes the entire time. So we're just going to, test this out. And I want you to follow along. What you want to do for the introduction is you could either play something like this, or you could do a melody. So you could do like a melody if that's what you're looking for. So what I just did is, now this, what I'm playing with my left hand is called the Flowy style. Doesn't it sound like it just flows? C. Gosh. So I'm going to show you that introduction one more time because I know there's a lot of notes to it. But again, you don't necessarily have to play this introduction. You could just do a simple. In Christ alone, my hope is found. So no need for fanciness, but if you do want that like classical approach to bring in that melody, you definitely can. So the melody for this is, so that's C, D, F, F, and then that's C, D, F, G, and then A, G, F, D, back to A, G, F, F. So again. So you want to focus, if you do want to do this melody, you want to watch this over and over again, even in slow motion if that helps, and get it straight with your right hand before moving into the left. And then you move on to the left and the chords are. So it starts with the B flat. C. B flat again, C, just thought of this little transition. In Christ alone. So do what you want with this. It's a nice little transition after this melody. All right, anyway, that is for the introduction. If you want, go back and look at it again. And then I'm going to go into that simple version of no introduction and going straight into the song. This song is a bit high for me, so forgive my squeaky high voice. All right, so we start with B flat. In Christ alone, my hope is found. Here in my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What hides let me pause right there and just do that one more time. So notice my right hand is on the same exact spot, but what is changing is my left hand, and it is ever changing, and there's a lot of chords involved. So I'm gonna do that right now one more time. In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What hides alone my depths of peace, when fears are still and striving cease. My comforter, my all in all. Here in the love of Christ I stand. I could do a little transition like that, or I could do another instrumental like I did at the beginning. In Christ alone, who took on flesh, moving into verse 2, right? Fullness of God in helpless babe, the gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones he came to save. Till on that cross, as Jesus died, the Lord of God satisfied. For every sin on him was laid. Here in the death of Christ I live. Now, I know I went kind of crazy. So what I did is I usually played the bass chords like this with that, just an octave. It's called an octave when you play the same note low and high. But then what I did is I wanted to add some flowy style. Now, if this is way above your head, you can just pulse. Till on that cross, as Jesus died, the Lord of God satisfied. Or you can add that flowy style. Okay, so it's like. Now, if you do add the flowy style, you can continue it with your right hand like this. So that's if you want to learn that advanced technique. You can go back and rewatch it, or I also have a mini course on the flowy style, and I really give you ways to move your fingers with this style. All right, so then you have just really repeating the same exact style. Now, what I would like to suggest is sometimes you can skip some of these chords. So for example, you saw me skip an F. So for example, if I'm really focused, I can skip an F when it comes to that first F. So let's say, Jesus died, the wrath of God. I went straight into the B flat instead of going, now, if I'm focused enough and if I do play the F, that's great. But if I somehow miss it because I was trying to do a Flowy style on C and I don't have enough time, I just go straight into the B flat. Not a problem, right? Satisfied for every. See, if I didn't make it to B flat for every, I'm going to go straight into F. Every sin on him was laid. Here, I could skip F. In the death of Christ, I live. Now, if you know the song key, you can just improvise. Just improvising, and I talk a lot about improvising in my piano ministry course if you want to check that out. All right, I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye!